Welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how to find and download Five Nights at Freddy's Plus. So first thing first, open your web browser, then in the search bar typing FNAF Plus download and go search. So after that you'll find the second link. Just click on that, FNAF Plus remake, click on that. So there is, you can see download button, so just it's only 738 megabytes. FNAF Plus remake.zip, so just click on that, and after that download will start it right here, so just wait. So it's almost done. So hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.